Hello, and welcome back to the channel. In this expert review, we'll be delving into the 2025 Honda CR-V, a popular compact crossover known for its practicality and reliability. While the 2025 model remains largely unchanged, there's one exciting addition: a hydrogen fuel cell variant. Let's take a closer look at what this model year has in store. The 2025 Honda CR-V continues to impress with its user-friendly design and capable performance. Its turbocharged 1.5-liter engine delivers a decent 190 horsepower and 179 lb-ft of torque, providing ample power for everyday driving. Fuel efficiency remains commendable, especially with the hybrid variant, which boasts an impressive 4336 mpg city-highway. Safety is a top priority for Honda, and the CR-V consistently excels in this area. With its comprehensive suite of driver assist features and top safety ratings from both IIHS and NHTSA, you can have peace of mind knowing you're well protected. Inside, the CR-V offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with ample cargo capacity, making it an excellent choice for families or those who frequently haul cargo. The infotainment system, while featuring a smaller screen on lower trims, is intuitive and easy to use. The most notable addition for 2025 is the hydrogen fuel cell variant, marking a significant step towards a more sustainable future. However, due to limited hydrogen fueling infrastructure, this model will initially be available only in California. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda CR-V remains a solid choice in the compact crossover segment. While not the most exciting option, its practicality, reliability, and impressive safety features make it a strong contender. Thank you for joining me for this comprehensive review of the 2025 Honda CR-V. If you're considering a compact crossover, be sure to check out this reliable and versatile option from Honda. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive reviews and updates. Until next time, happy motoring.